Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video, man. Yo, so look, first and foremost, if y'all are new to the channel, make sure y'all go down there and hit that subscribe button, man, because I don't know what's going on in New York this week, but it is extra hot. Like, it says 96, but it feels like 106. I don't know what I gotta do. Maybe I gotta move to Alaska. But yo, I turned off the AC for this video, and I could just feel the sweat like coming, bro. Like, this is ridiculous. And I got no internet. Like, I don't know what's going on, man. But anyways, we are back today with another video for y'all. I got another sneaker review. I was gonna wait a couple days to do this review because I did end up winning on sneakers and getting my size 9, which is coming in the mail. But I'm like, nah, forget all that. I don't got no internet. Might as well, you know, record this video, do something, you feel me, and upload it for y'all. So anyways, we are back with another Nike Dunk review. I was gonna say low, but this is a high. So y'all let me know how y'all feel about Nike Dunk highs. Do y'all like them more than lows? Comment that down below. What y'all like more, highs or lows, man? But yeah, as you guys can see, this is the Game Royal one, or the Kentucky highs. And there you have the size tag. The box on it is the same as all the other Dunks, regular Nike box, orange with the Nike logos on the top, the sides, and the bottom. Yep. So the size tag reads Nike Dunk High Retro. Color code is white / Game Royal / total orange. I don't know where the orange is on the sneaker, but it says it has orange. And then retail on these is $110. This right here is a size 10. And yeah, unfortunately, I probably won't bring you guys on because size 10 is too big for me. I was gonna do it just for the video, but I'm like, nah. You know what I'm saying? Boom, there you guys have it. So unboxing it, just flipping it open. You have the white paper or gray paper on the inside. And yeah, basically that's it. And you're flipping it open. Here you have the shoe. Kaboom. So yeah, man, right here it's just like, you know, the hint of blue with the white, and it's overall pretty cool. So the orange, I guess they're saying, is on the insole, Nike on the inside. And yeah, that's the only orange I see on the sneaker, man. So alright, we're gonna cut to a quick little B-roll to give you guys a good look at all the details and everything along those lines. And then we're gonna come back, do the whole review with the colorway breakdown and the material breakdown, man. So let's cut to that. So coming back from the B-roll, hopefully you guys got a good look at all the details of this sneaker. And if y'all want to compare reals versus fakes, you know, you guys could do that. Just do that, you feel me? And you should already know that it kind of looks like the Jordan 1 high. Same color blocking in a sense. And yeah, basically like the whole first half of the shoe looks like a Jordan 1 high. And just getting to the colorway breakdown, we have the Game Royal right here and white on this sneaker. Those are the two main colors. It did say total orange, and that is on the inside. So the shoe is pretty simple. We have the Game Royal or blue coming across the toe box right here, and then also coming up the lace holes. Same thing with this flap right here is in blue with it going around the heel. The Nike swoosh is also blue on both sides, and then, you know, it comes all the way to the back to this pull tab right here. The ankle or sock liner right here is in that blue as well. Same thing with Nike and blue on the tongue and blue laces, and with a blue outsole. And the rest of the shoe is basically white. Toe box is white, mid panels is white, the back is white, and the tongue is in white. Also, midsole is in white. As for material on these, they use leather for the upper and rubber for the midsole and outsole. This leather right here is kind of like plasticky, you feel me? It's not the best quality leather, but you know, you're paying $110, so you can't really be expecting the best leather. Leather on Jordan 1s are better than this, so yeah, therefore it's just leather on the upper and rubber on the midsole and outsole. And then the tongue is a mesh, same thing with the sock liner. Now, As for sizing on Dunk highs, I do suggest everybody go down half a size, just like Nike Dunk lows, just because Dunks are long, man. Like this is size 10 and it seems so long. Pause on that. And yeah, just go down half a size. So if you wear a 9, y'all get an 8.5. Or you know, if you want to go true to size, if you double sock or stuff like that, y'all could go true to size. But I do recommend going down half a size. Now as for comfort on highs, there is really no comfort aspect that really jumps out at you. You feel me? It is kind of light, but there's no cushioning. It's just rubber for midsole and outsole. So there's no really cushioning or technology right there. And the upper is in leather, so it's not like in the fly net or anything. So you're not getting anything that's gonna take the comfort out this world. So I would say these are a 6.5 out of 10. Jordan 1s are probably more comfortable than this, but it is kind of light though as compared to like Jordan 4s, Jordan 5s, which are pretty bulky. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up the review of the whole sneaker. Does it come with an extra pair of laces? It doesn't, so you guys just, you know, cool with the blue laces. All right, so with all that being said, let's just talk about resale real quick. There's still resale on Nike Dunk highs, don't get me wrong, but the resale isn't as high as Nike Dunk lows, man. The Kentucky Nike Dunk lows go for like $400 or $500 right now, I believe. And these are only going for like $160, $170. Do I think these will sell? Of course, man. You're making like $50 profit on these, so it's easy to pick them up and just resell. And if you guys do want to buy these and hold them to the future, I do see these going to like low 200s just because it's a clean colorway, only 2 colors. Anything with white, solid white and a solid color, it always do well. Like if you guys look at the Syracuse highs, they're going for like 200, I believe. But yeah, this is gonna be the same for that around this range. So yeah, if you guys want to buy them right now, I think it's like 160. It'll probably go to like 200 pretty easily. But yeah, there you guys have it for the resale. Now to wrap everything up with my final opinion on this sneaker right here. It is pretty clean for a sneaker, but I won't be adding these to the collection. I don't really like how Nike Dunk highs look. I'd rather wear Jordan 1s. Some people like Nike Dunk highs. I personally don't. So I'll be selling these. I also picked up like 4 pairs. So those will be gone. But it is a clean sneaker, just not my cup of tea. I'd rather rock Jordan 1s. That's basically my message this whole video. I'd rather rock Jordan 1s than Nike Dunk highs. But it's cool though. Cool sneaker, cool colorway. But your boys just have to pass on them. And that pretty much wraps up this video. Y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comments down below. I'm sweating like crazy right now, so I'm gonna get to it and get going, man. It's your boy ALin. I'm checking out. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, man. We out.